Hello my friends, today we're going to be making a creamy cashew milk that pairs well with sweet and savory items. To start off, we're going to be needing 2 cups of cashews and we're going to be soaking this overnight. I use these little plastic wraps I got at Dollar Tree. They are perfect and I reuse the same one every single time. So put this in the fridge for 24 hours. Now strain your cashews and you're going to use filtered water. You're going to need 4 cups for every cup of cashews. I doubled this recipe. Now I'm blending this slowly and increasing the speed as I progress, making sure it's nice and smooth. I do use a mesh bag. You don't have to, but I want to save the pulp for a recipe in the near future. Now this is going to take a little bit because it is very finely milled, especially for using a Vitamix. As for the pulp, I haven't decided what I want to use it for. Maybe a cookie recipe or like a ricotta cheesy based ingredient for a future meal. Now that your milk is all strained out, you could drink this as is, but I like mine with a little bit of flavor, starting off with maple syrup. I purchased this from Azure Standard. I use 4 tablespoons because I am doubling this batch. And we're going to be using 4 teaspoons of vanilla extract. It is my favorite. You guys need to try this. Then 1 teaspoon of hazelnut extract and 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt. This gives it a nice vanilla, French vanilla kind of taste. I don't know. It is so delicious. I love it and so does my husband. It is such a creamy cashew milk and you're going to be able to get 1/2 gallon and 1 pint. This recipe should stay fresh in the fridge for about a week and we use this every single day. If you guys enjoyed this video, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and like this video. Bye!